I'm your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter, Veronica Morley. In Kern County last year, we saw over 250 overdose deaths related to fentanyl. Now, while many experts say that those numbers will likely continue to rise, a new agent has some excited about its potential for reversing an overdose.
This is probably poised to become a better fit for the fentanyl world.
In May of this year, the Food and Drug Administration approved a new nasal spray overdose reversal medication, Opvee, and 6 months later, it's just barely making its way to Kern County.
The patients that I'm seeing, the patient that everyone who's in the addiction world is seeing right now, they are struggling with fentanyl. Having access to this medication is going to save more lives than we have been up to this point.
As medical director for special populations at Clinica Sierra Vista in Kern, Dr. Matthew Baer is on the front lines of the opioid epidemic, with many of his patients being primary candidates for overdose.
For instance, what we see often is someone will be Narcaned in the field. Because the fentanyl is still in their system for so long, they'll actually go back into an overdose.
But what sets the new Opvee nasal spray apart from other medications like Sublocade or Narcan is its ability to remain in the patient's system for a longer time.
So it's going to be in the system a lot longer, which means it'll prevent that return of the overdose.
FDA approval of the new medication comes on the heels of rising overdose deaths and new variants of drugs entering the market.
There's something that's been sort of in Appalachia and more on the East Coast for a long time now called trank dope, and it's a mixture of fentanyl with xylazine. And we haven't seen it a ton yet here, but we will see it. It's only a matter of time. And the issue with that is it's just not reversible with these types of agents. So that part gets very, very scary, and we'll have to have a whole different strategy for combating that.
While some argue the potential downsides, including withdrawal symptoms, Baer saying the benefits outweigh the concerns.
My concerns with this medication are that it won't be readily accessible fast enough. With its counterparts, Narcan and Cloxato, it's an incredibly safe medication.
Now at this time, Opvee is only available in 11 states at a standing order or through prescription. Meanwhile, at Clinica Sierra Vista, even though we've seen very few reported cases of xylazine or trank, they are equipped with testing strips upon request. I'm your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter, Veronica Morley.